we are cutting across to breaking news coming in as correspondently, the Union Home Ministry has now created a portal. This is the National Migrant Information System portal, primarily for migrants to be used when it comes to coordination of movements across states or even relevant data that is required for contact tracing as well. I want to cut across to Prakash Singh, our senior editor, who's joining us on the broadcast. Prakash, this was very important and a platform now available for migrants to seek any important information they want to from the center or put out their information for the center so that the center can reach out to them in case of how they need to be taken to their home states. How does this portal work? Explain to us.
Yes, sir. Well, yes, Swesa, the MHA has issued a directive to the state government. I have a copy of the letter from Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla, who has clearly stated the fact that National Migrant Information System portal would be put into place and it would come under the specific guidance of the National Disaster Management Authority, wherein all the migrants who are traveling from one state to another would be tracked and all their details would be put in one portal. For example, individual data, the place of work, the originating state from which they are starting the journey, and the kind of work they used to do in states. Suppose if someone was working in Gujarat or in Haryana or Delhi or Maharashtra, and all their travel history details, the place they are going to, all this would be put into place so that the contact tracing could be made easy. And that is the reason why this National Migrants Information System portal have been used. And let me tell you, Shuesa, ever since the Shramik special trains started on 3rd of May, Bihar government already had this portal introduced in Bihar, and this kind of information data are being put on those portals by the Bihar government. I think the central government has replicated this model at the national level, and the Union Home Ministry has issued a letter to all the chief secretaries so that this kind of information system would be put into place. And this letter, which was issued by the Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla to all the chief secretaries of states, particularly, and this migrants information system is with a special reference to Bihar, UP, Bengal, Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan, where you have large number of migrant population. So this is so the migrants would be tracked now in large numbers.
Absolutely, Prakash. This has been a persistent problem. And as the finance minister had also mentioned in one of her news conferences, where she said that our hearts go out for the migrants, and definitely this portal should be able to be that platform where all the migrants can reach out and there can be better coordination. On that note, Prakash, thank you for joining us. We step into a short commercial break.